Hi, Susie Fido here, co-founder of Marketing with Ethics and the creator of the Facebook Kickstarter Academy. And today I'm going to show you how to find your most engaging posts on Facebook. So to do this, we're going to go over to one of our fun pages called Kefalonia Kitties, which keeps an eye on our tribe and we share photos and videos. So let's go over to that now. So here we are on the Kefalonia Kitties page, and we want to find out what was our most engaging post for November. To do this, you click on Insights on the left-hand side down here. This will then open up an overview page where you can see general information. This defaults to 7 days, but you can change it to individual days or for the last 28. And if you were to scroll down, again, you can see your posts and you can see interaction, but it does make it a very long process to try and work out which was the most popular, especially if you want to put it in order. So the easiest way to do this is to go up to the right hand corner here and click on Export Data. When you click on that, a pop-up box will appear, and because Facebook holds so much data, you really want to define what kind of data you're looking for. And because we're looking at post engagement, you want to change the data type to post data. We're going to leave the file format on Excel because it's by far the easiest format to use. We changed the date range. Now we want it to actually be from the 1st to the 30th. Click on OK. So it's November the 1st to December the 1st. And then in the layout, it will default to all page post data. You really want to change this or you will get hundreds of columns of data coming back. And as we're looking for engagement, you want to change it to post engagement at the bottom here. So just to reiterate, data type is post data, file format leave on Excel, date range to the period that you're looking for, and layout to post engagement. Once you've set them, you click on Export Data. It then says your download has started, and when that disappears, you will then see the Excel sheet appear in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. If you left click on that, it will open the Excel sheet for you, and you'll always get this warning come up saying about the file format. It could be corrupt or unsafe. Always click on Yes, and this will then open the spreadsheet up in protected view, as you can see by the yellow bar at the top here. In order for us to have a play around with it, we want to enable editing, and then that will open it in a normal format. And here we have several columns. So every post has a unique post ID. We don't need to worry about that, so we'll delete that off. You then have the permalink. If I click on one here, you can see it across here. So that gives you the link directly to that post. Then you have the post message. So this is the wording that's used in the post. So exactly how it appears in the status. You've then got the post type. Now this could be photo, it could be link, it could be video. Countries and languages we're really not interested in, so we'll delete them off as well. We'll also, while we're at it, get rid of audience targeting because we're not interested in that. And we'll get rid of these because this is to do with negative feedback and matched audiences, which we haven't got set up on here. So we're left then with posted. Now that gives you the date. This is in American format, so this one here, for example, is the 30th of November. The next thing you need to watch for is the time. Now the time on here is in Pacific time. Believe me, we're not setting up posts at 5 o'clock in the morning, at 4:54 in the morning. So what you need to do with these is add 8 hours for UK time. So for example, this one was posted supposedly at almost 8 o'clock in the morning. That was actually at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. This one that went on at almost 20 past 12 actually went on at 20 past 8 in the evening, and so on. And then we have the lifetime engaged users. This is the gem of information that we're looking for. This is where it will show the number of unique people who have engaged in a certain way with your post. So whether it's somebody who's commented on it, whether they've shared it, or if they've clicked on one of the reaction emoticons. Now this is unique people, so therefore if the same person has commented several times on a post, then it will only count them as one. And this is where we find out which is the most engaging post. Again, you can sort through and have a look through and go, oh yes, that's got the highest number, because obviously the higher the number, the higher the engagement. However, if you want to sort it into order to see which was most popular down to least popular, the way you do that is by using the data sort option. To do this, if you click over on the left hand side, actually on the row itself, hold the left button down, scroll down to highlight all of the rows. Now that's the rows of actual data, not including the titles. You click on data at the top here. You then select sort, and then you want to say which column you're sorting by. My column I'm looking for, because it's the lifetime engaged and I've deleted many columns, is column E. If you don't delete any of the columns when you're doing this exercise, the column name may be different. So do check whatever the column name is above lifetime engaged users. So we're going to do sort by column E. The cell value will automatically default smallest to largest, but we want it around the other way. So again, down arrow, largest to smallest. And when you've done that, click on OK. And that will automatically sort it, so you can now see which is the most engaging down to the least engaging. If you want to have a look to see what it is, you can always make that bigger and you can see the sort of information that's being put in there. But the best way to do this is by the permalink option here. This is the most engaging post, so let's make a note of this particular URL. So if you click on that, you can then highlight it up here, right click, copy. Now let's open up a new Google tab, right click, paste and go, and there you have it. That is our most engaging post on Kefalonia Kitties in the month of November. So there you have it. I recommend you go off, have a look at your posts for the last month or possibly even the last quarter and find out which posts are causing the most engagement, because when you know that, you know what to do more of. This is Susie Fido from Marketing with Ethics signing out for now, and I'll see you on the next video.